Good morning, everyone. This is Tonya, aka Christina. Yeah, we're here in Spanish Town filming Brawta, It Is Whisper, and Bubbles. Oh, just to let you know, this is the Bartender vlog. Yeah, so let me show you about them there. Alright, them the over here saying I go there. Look. I'll go more closer. See them, they wanna see them? I'm a film now. Them in the gully.
I say, man, give them all the punish done. That's true. Okay. Yeah, sir. Yeah, I say, a friend there, kill him. I mean, the police couldn't touch him. Blow them and
So, the driver, Conan, as my key. You are the driver.
6. Props. Yeah, props. I board them out. I board them out. You know, they with no guns.
For movie purposes
Very
only.
blue steel.
For movie purposes only. This fire edit ball. Them ball are edit. And he never said dead it. He said edit.
Edit. You hear that?
What you walk? Oi.
Brush off your shirt, bro. I didn't need anything else.
Hello, Mr. Director. Good morning. How was your day so far?
So far, it has been productive.
Okay. How was the filming?
Filming is good. Actors them do what they're supposed to do.
Okay, good.
It's a good look.
Good.
Bush. Bush land. Yeah, man.
Alright guys, listen up, listen. I come up here so cause me know nobody know when me I got plan. So I decide to do a prank on the director. Yeah, we plan to do a prank on him. So the prank is me telling, alright, the prank is when him finish film a scene, I gotta tell him say him not direct that scene the good. Me I gotta tell him that. Me I gotta tell him say him not direct that scene the good. Me not like it, me hate it. So when you stay tuned, this prank is gonna be amazing. Let me know if you love the prank. But I'm not sure which one I seen them I'm gonna do the prank with, if I know, or the scene with him with Vicious and Sure, but stay tuned and I'm gonna find out. Alright, the prank. Okay, this is my first prank, guys, and I don't know how I'm gonna react, but I'm gonna do it for get him, you know, him reaction. So look, me I sweat. Oh god, me nice one. May I do it for get him reaction. Alright, so when you stay tuned.
Thank you very much. Now, I could eat that. I see
Alright, we're there.
Yeah, I said, yeah, alright, we're there, man.
Just kidding.
I said.
You know, I move where I'm making on the police a car where and tell them so there's no way.
That's
I
true.
move where I make.
That's true. So you're going to say, alright, here one. Then Corona.
Alright guys, I am so nervous to do this prank. Remember, I'm a first prank listener and my first prank is on the director. Jesus, I'm nervous because I don't know how I'm gonna react. So, guys, we'll just stay tuned, alright? I'm nervous, so stay with me. I just hope I pull off this prank good because I really want to see reaction. But I'm nervous, alright? Stay tuned. Oh, this dragon is not mine, it's one of the actors, okay? So don't be this mine, I'm and but stay tuned guys, stay tuned. Let me be honest with you. I don't like where they're scene. With them, and bubbles always fun. I like it. It's very poor. Let me be honest with you. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna explain. But when we don't finish this, we'll explain. But that's not like it.
Well,
Yes,
you
yes,
to
yes.
stand up.
I don't like none of it, brother. I don't like none of it. Let me tell you what Sir should have done. Sir should have just prank you.
When you time there.
Prank!
Oh, yeah, prank it. What do you feel like? I like share this one. And we are doing feel love.
Guess what, people? Sir got pranked.
Come, tell them what you... He could have gone longer, but he catch me off guard when he explain. I don't know what to say now.
That is it now, come and say.
So, he could have gone longer. Jesus Christ,
I know
me
she have
nervous.
the directorial skills, so I say, alright miss, alright, you're big and bold now. And in front of everybody I tell me, say, me not like that. Yeah. Tell me when I go around. I use director jargons. Sir, you... I feel pranked.
You know what I say? I wish you get that courage there from frightened. She does come up.
Come on,
Strong.
When
I realize now.
Let me tell you what it's serious. When she said, when him said, what you don't like about it? She said, me don't like nothing about it, brother. Nothing. And that makes you in a badness.
Suppose we tell somebody nervous. We don't want to start. Thank you guys. Bye.